This is the 7th year that I've brought my AP Environmental Science students out here for this program. This is really great hands-on, real-world application experience for them to see just how everything we learned in the classroom is really applied to the real world.
It's amazing because now we're putting a picture to what we've learned in class. Instead of just sitting down, taking notes, what we always see is textbook, videos, not something that really catches your attention. Now we're going hands-on and we get to see it, and it's actually really cool.